Have you ever wondered about the mystical powers of a tiny seed? A seed so small, yet packed with so much potential. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the remarkable tale of chia seeds, from ancient civilizations to modern kitchens. In the heartland of Central America, the story begins. The Mayans and Aztecs, ancient civilizations known for their profound wisdom and ingenuity, were the first to recognize the benefits of this tiny gem. The word chia even means strength in the Mayan language, signifying the high-energy sustenance it provided. Warriors would consume these seeds for endurance during long journeys or battles. Fast forward several centuries and we find the chia seed making its grand entrance into the modern world. Today, these little seeds of wonder are found in supermarkets across the globe, from the bustling streets of New York to the serene corners of Kyoto. In the realm of nutrition, chia seeds are nothing short of a superfood. They are packed with antioxidants, minerals, and a rich source of fiber. These seeds are a treasure trove of omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, but the benefits don't end there. Chia seeds also lend a helping hand in supporting bone strength, thanks to their high concentration of calcium. For those managing blood sugar levels, these seeds act as a natural balancing agent, aiding in blood sugar management. And if you're looking to shed a few pounds, chia seeds might be your new best friend, as they can potentially assist in weight loss. As we wrap up our journey, it's clear that this tiny seed holds a significant place in our diets and our history. From ancient warriors to modern health enthusiasts, the chia seed's mystical journey is a testament to its enduring power and potential. So the next time you sprinkle these tiny seeds over your breakfast bowl or blend them into a smoothie, remember the remarkable journey they've taken to reach your kitchen. And as you savor their crunch, take a moment to appreciate the health benefits they offer: heart health, bone strength, blood sugar balance, and potential weight loss assistance. In the grand narrative of nutrition, the chia seed has etched its story not just as a staple of ancient civilizations, but as a modern superfood, proving that great things truly do come in small packages.